Hello students, it's Miss Bleemaster and we're going to review how to solve multi-step one variable equations. So the problem we're going to start with is solve 4 subtract 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 7 equals 1. So remember, when we're solving, the first thing we always look to do is use the distributive property. Then after that, we're looking to combine like terms. And finally, we are able to undo the order of operations. So we start at the bottom with addition and subtraction, and we work our way up undoing each operation. So if we take a look at our problem, we're going to want to make it all into addition. So we're going to make this 4 plus a negative 3. And then we're going to go through our steps. So the first step is the distributive property. So we have negative 3 times 2x and negative 3 times 7. So if we bring down 4 plus, and then we actually do the distributive property, so negative 3 times 2x, which is negative 6x. Bring down the plus sign. And negative 3 times 7, which is negative 21, equals 1. So that was the distributive property. Next on the list is combining like terms. So we have 4, which is a constant, and we have negative 21, which is also a constant. And they're constants because they don't have variables on them. They're on the same side of the equal sign, so we need to combine them. So that is 4 plus a negative 21, which is negative 17. So we end up with negative 6x plus negative 17 equals 1. And so if you take a look at the negative 6x, there are no other terms that have x's in them that are on the left side of the equal sign. So we are now ready to start undoing the order of operations. So remember, we have to stay balanced around the equal sign. Whatever we do to the left side, we must do to the right side. So if we start by undoing addition and subtraction, in this problem we are adding a negative 17. So to undo that, we'll subtract a negative 17 on both sides. But if we're subtracting a negative, we're really adding. So we're going to add 17 to both sides. So the negative 6x will drop down. Negative 17 plus 17 is 0, so that's gone. And then on the right side of the equal sign, we have 1 plus 17, which is 18. So we don't have any more addition or subtraction, so we're moving on to undoing multiplication and division. We have negative 6x, which really is negative 6 times x. So we are going to divide both sides by negative 6. Negative 6 divided by negative 6 is 1. So we're left with 1x, or x, equals negative 3. So remember, when you are working on solving one variable equations, to follow your steps. Use the distributive property, combine your like terms, and then undo the order of operations. In the end, your goal is to get the variable all by itself.